Good morning, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. Please smash that like button, please smash that subscribe button. It's another watch unboxing for a watch that, it's another homage watch, and it's another watch from one of my personal favourite homage brands, which is Pagani design. I've got on my wrist today the Maverick Victorinox two-tone, which in my opinion is the best watch you can buy under £500. It's a 43mm monster, 100 meter water resist, sapphire crystal, a kind of sapphire slash lacquered bezel, so it's not just a standard aluminium, with a beautiful bracelet in two-tone. I've picked it up in black as well, and I'm going to pick it up in the other colour of two-tone because it is so beautiful. But this today, I'll just do a little, this is a watch I've wanted for quite a long time. Interesting how they've actually put it in a new box now. I've never seen this before from Pagani. Wow. Now, wow, that looks absolutely stunning. Oh my God, that does look absolutely incredible. Everyone should know what this watch is homaged from, because it's a very famous Rolex watch, what it's homaged from. It's the GMT Master 2 two-tone root beer. Now obviously this is not that watch, this is the Pagani design PD-1662 in the two-tone, and they have this year, and I'm so happy to say, they have upgraded apparently the thickness of the model. Instead of it being 13.5mm thick, I believe this is so-called 12.5, and it does look thinner, so I can't wait to check that out. It has a gorgeous center polished link two-tone oyster style 3-link bracelet with the standard double locking flip lock clasp. It's not a quick adjust sliding clasp. It is a spring bar clasp. However, these are more secure than that style, even though they are a nightmare to change things. What I've found is, from experience, okay, what I've found is that people, yeah, it is nice to have a quick adjust clasp, but 99% of people will never change the setting. If you wear a watch loose like me, you will not, unless you're a diver, you will not change that. Even when it goes hot, I don't do it. I do not change the you know, the tightness of the fit. I just leave it on that setting. So I think they are a little bit overblown about how people say you want to have a, you know, a quick adjust sliding mechanism on the clasp. You don't really need it, although it is better, no question about it. Right, so let's go to the specs of this model. 40mm nominal, ceramic bezel, two-tone. Obviously, GMT functionality, so you can have on this watch 3 time zones, I believe. 100-meter water resist, fully branded in the Pagani design branding, which is absolutely excellent. Clear case back, sapphire crystal, automatic NH, whatever you call it, movement. I think it's NH35 or NH36 or something. Obviously, standard being they're inaccurate to around 20 to 40 seconds per day. I do wish they did a quartz model on some of these, because I would pick that up instead, because I don't like inaccuracy. But nevertheless, a lot of people love seeing that sweeping seconds hand. You know, so it's not a massive downside that it is an automatic. Or I wish the technology would improve so they can buy cheaper, more accurate movements. The Rolex one that it's homaged from is accurate to around 2 seconds per day, which is approaching quartz ability. I mean, quartz would still be twice as accurate as that generally. Now, sometimes you get a bit of stiffness in the bracelet, in the links. That's fine. It just goes with time. Don't worry about it. It should do anyway. And if it doesn't, I'll just get Pagani to send me a new bracelet. Yeah. Just seeing if I've got my digital calipers close to me, because then I can do a thickness check. Let me just check thickness. Right, okay. Oh, right, okay. So it's 12.9. So it's not 12.5 on my particular model. So it's still fine. It's still fine. Oh, there is actually a piece of plastic on the back that may affect it slightly. I'll take that off, it might affect it slightly. But anyway, it's thinner than what it was last time. So I'm going to get this resized up and I'll get a full review across to you. It looks, in terms of presentation, it looks simply unbelievable. It looks, wow, fantastic. If you want to buy it, there is a link down below. It is an affiliate link if you want to pick it up. Obviously, I make a tiny bit of commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for checking my videos out. There's going to be some massive reviews coming up soon. Any questions, let me know. Nice one. Have a good day.